Welcome to Online Tools Master, the channel where we simplify your online editing experience one tool at a time. Today we're diving into the PNG to CMYK Color Converter, a clever browser-based utility that extracts and visualizes the cyan, magenta, yellow, and key or black channels from any PNG image. To use this tool, open your browser and go to www.onlinepngtools.com. In the search bar, type Convert PNG to CMYK Colors. Click the tool link, and you're in. This powerful tool lets you visualize each CMYK channel individually, or all together, and even convert them into grayscale for better printing contrast. It comes with several options like Display Cyan component, Display Magenta component, Display Yellow component, Display Key, Black component, Create Monochrome CMYK version. With just a few clicks, you can toggle any of these options to see exactly how much of each ink color would be needed in a print scenario. Our first example uses a vibrant windmill PNG. We extract the magenta channel, showing how much magenta ink would be required if this image were printed. We've enabled only the magenta component, and the result isolates magenta tones beautifully. To save your result, just click Save As and download the magenta layer. In our second example, we uploaded a PNG of apricots resting on a cutting board surrounded by leaves. We activated both the cyan and yellow components. The yellow channel reveals the fruit and board highlights, while the cyan channel reflects the greens in the plant. Each output can be downloaded separately via the Save As option. For our third example, we've chosen a cute owl PNG. This time we want to see all CMYK components together, and also analyze their grayscale versions. We activated all 4 channels and then ticked monochrome CMYK to visualize ink intensity in grayscale. Interestingly, the owl contains almost no cyan, while yellow defines most of its form. Download any of these channel layers using the Save As button. If you found this helpful, don't miss our recent videos on icon text to logo adder and the PNG alpha mask generator, both designed to give your visuals that extra polish. Now it's your turn. Head over to onlinepngtools.com, open the PNG to CMYK Color Converter, or use the link from the description and start exploring color layers in your own images. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and powerful tool tutorials.